Hey you guys, hey, this is Marlon. Hey, we're gonna pull up here on a little job right here. We're gonna try to knock out right quick. This this is some of that ice storm we had about 2 weeks ago here in North Carolina here. It tore up a bunch of stuff. I don't know if you can see up through there, but there's trees down everywhere up here, northern part of the county. But we're gonna try to slip in here and get these things pulled out and get them loaded up and get them going, and see what we can do. Wyatt, he's going to get the stump grinder. We're gonna probably grind these stumps out right here. Maybe get them to lay back down, get them 2 stumps out. But you can see them there. They just 2 little cedar trees that laid over. What we're gonna try to do is get right there with a couple pieces of plywood, just leapfrog our way in and get a rope and put on them things, just drag them out a little bit at a time, so maybe won't tear up everything. See what we can do. Just hang in here with us. We're gonna try to work on these things right quick. And we'll tune back in here in just a little bit. Up here, see how Weston's doing up here, getting off this trailer up here. Weston's been with us about 2 weeks. He come work with us about a week ago. That's my other son. That's Wyatt's twin. But see what he can do on this tractor. He looks like he's doing pretty good. He ain't run off the ramps yet, but get that little tractor in here, see if we can get this thing cleaned up.
Hey YouTube, today we're working on some more storm cleanup from that ice storm happened a couple weeks back. We had a couple cedar trees fall down in this residential area, and there's a kind of a greenway slash walkway and bike path through there. So we're up here cleaning all these cedars up. We got the excavator down there. We're leapfrogging this pile of wood to minimize the amount of handling we have to do to load it onto our dump trailer. You can see we've already got a load from a demo job up the road, so we thought we'd swing by and get what we can loaded up. He's got the thumb on the bucket, so he's able just to grapple those logs and just handle them one at a time and piling them up so he can work them up this hill here. We're going to work them to about right here, back up the trailer, and dice them up, set them onto the trailer. Considering the damage we saw earlier, this was very minimal damage. Looks like these, you can see these stumps here got uprooted and just leaned over, and we sawed them down and laid them down and diced them up. Took out a couple limbs on this tree, but didn't even tear up the yard, so it's a pretty ideal situation. So once we're done, we'll grind these stumps out here and dress this bed back up, and it'll look like we were never even here. leapfrogging to avoid making a whole bunch of ruts in the grass that we'd have to come back and fix. He did a pretty good job. There's some marring there of the grass, but other than that, it looks like he wasn't even in there. So he'll be able to move this pile one more time, get it set up to where